Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. One of my granddaughters and I, we just got back from church and we want to show you what we got. So the young women, the girl youth in our at church, they went through all their closets and they were getting rid of a bunch of stuff. So they told the congregation, before you go home, go check it out and take whatever, because whatever's not taken is going to get chucked in the trash. I hadn't planned on going to check it out, but it was right by the door that I exit out of. And let me show you what I found. I got this big old box of fabric, and I was just going to take a few pieces, but what happened? I wound up taking all of them. I kind of felt bad taking it all, but everybody was saying take it because I don't want it, and it's just going to get thrown in the trash. So you and I, along with my granddaughter, are going to go through this box, and then we also have some ribbon. All right, so the first thing I saw was stuff like this, and I was like, oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Halloween. And at first I was just, that's all I was going to take, but then it just kept getting more and more. Look at these. Isn't that pretty? And this would be fun to make, you know, little doll dresses. I can use some of this fabric and have like 2 different types of fabric in one dress. And it does need to be washed. You could tell it's not been washed, but like this could be the bottom and this could be the top, or vice versa. So we got Halloween stuff. And then we've got some gingham. There's quite a bit of gingham in here. Here's some more gingham. And more gingham. I like the yellow. Yellow's one of my favorite colors. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Oh, pink. Pink's one of my favorite colors too. We got green gingham. Oh, look at this. Purple gingham. I wonder what they use this for. No one seemed to know. It's probably been back in the closet for years. Okay, let's see. Oh, here's some more gingham. And then we have, oh, isn't this pretty? Oh, that's so pretty. I love all my favorite colors. Yellow, turquoise, purple, pink. Ooh, that's pretty.
I like turquoise too.
It's kind of an animal print. A green animal print.
It's like a cheetah print.
Cheetah, it does look like a cheetah print. All right, and then we have some little polka dot stripes. Those are nice. And we have a lot of solids. There's purple. Here's a big old bunch of purple. Probably what I'm going to do is just dump all this. Of course, it'll probably be in 2 different batches, but I'm going to probably go ahead and wash a lot of it. Got some yellow that's solid. Oh, look how pretty this is. There's a lot there too. Could make a skirt or dress out of that for me. But I probably won't. Let's see, so we got those. And then we have some whites. Look at that. It's kind of got a print sort of on it. Oh, isn't this cute? This is flannel. I like this a lot. That'll be good. You know, a lot of this stuff is kind of girly, but this, I could make my boy doll something out of that. Oh, got a little bit of mod here. 1960s and 70s. That would be fun. And we got some more flowers. orange. They look like little orange hearts, red little daisies and tulips. Is that blue in there? That's pretty. And this is a really good size for little dolls. Oh, now this is some I had seen immediately. Aren't those cute little cat faces? I guess they're cat faces. Those cat faces?
I think.
Looks like cat face. And then, oh, this right here is the same little character. So we could like maybe have this at the bottom and this at the top. Who's that?
Thomas the Train.
Thomas the Train. Yep. Let's put that over there. I got all kinds of piles.
Charlie would like that.
Yep. Ooh, this is pretty. And look, let's see, where my, I could use the yellow gingham with that. I wonder if I could use the green gingham. That's pretty. It's not a whole lot there. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh. Huh.
What's that?
This isn't fabric. I don't know what it is. No telling what you're going to find in some of these. All right. It's just a cute little culotte. Too little for me, too big for her. Set that aside. Oh, we got some more flannel. Some purple flannel. I'll stick that in the flannel pile. Let's see, what else? What does this remind you of? Does it remind you of something?
Checkers.
Checkers. It reminds me of a picnic.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a little picnic tablecloth. I've got an idea for this. What else do we have here? Oh, look at this. Okay. I have a lighthouse collection. I used to really be into lighthouses big time years ago. And in fact, my bathroom, I made like when you first went in, the light switch was right there. And I painted this big lighthouse, very similar to this. And this right here, the door, was the switch, the light switch. It was really kind of neat. And then I had built a shelf that went over the shower curtain, and it had all my lighthouse collection up on there. It's actually kind of a neat bathroom. We've got some more fall stuff. I think I'll combine Halloween and fall together. And we've got some more, wow. This even has the price tag still on it. This would really make good lining. When you make doll clothes, depending on the fabric, you usually want to line it because you don't want like for instance, if we made something out of this, even though we'll wash it first, sometimes that black will run on the doll and discolor it. So you want to make sure that you line the clothing that you're making. This looks like a tablecloth. Well, looks like it used to be a tablecloth. Or maybe it was going to be a tablecloth. It's hemmed. Let's see. Put that with the white stuff. Oh, here's some more white stuff. There's a lot here. And it's kind of that, I don't know if you can tell or not, it's like a wrinkly fabric. It's supposed to be that way. Okay, let's put these over here.
What's that?
So much. Okay, we have more flannel. Oh no, this isn't flannel. This is let me think. What is it called? It's called felt. There's quite a bit of felt in here. We got white, green, we have blue, and these are great for crafts. Green, yellow. This is really soft. I don't know if that's felt or not. Yeah, it's felt. Gray. Oh, lots and lots of felt. Look at all the felt. I could bury myself in it. Is that it? Here's some more flannel. Okay, I'm going to put these aside over here. We have some solid red. Looks, I wonder if that's a tablecloth. I bet it is. But I don't need any tablecloths. Ooh, here's some more felt. That's a really pretty color. It's kind of a blue-gray.
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh, more. Look at this. Just more and more and more. Okay, have a little bit of burlap. Ugh. Here's some more gingham. This is bigger gingham, though. Where'd the gingham pile go? Okay, we have this pretty green. If you see anything you like, let me know down in the comment section below what you like. Now this is interesting. Comfort and joy come to you. Angel food cake. Here's a recipe. Huh. I don't know what I would do with this. Keep Christmas in your heart. It's really pretty, but I'm not really for sure what I would do with it. Let me know, what would you do with this fabric? There's the recipe. It looks like you're supposed to, it almost looks like a quilt. I thought those were little scissors, but they're just X's. Okay, what else do we have here? You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of maybe a washcloth, like a kitchen towel or something like that. Okay, put that over there. Oh, this is pretty. I really like this, but I'll be honest with you. Stripes, I'm a little intimidated by stripes because when you sew with stripes, you have to match. And I'm not really very good at that. But that's really, really pretty. What else do we have here? And we have this. This is kind of silky. Isn't that pretty? Really pretty color. There's quite a bit of it here. But it's slippery. Somebody likes green. I see a lot of green here. Ooh, look at this. This is like a suede. I don't know if you can see the texture on that. It's really soft. It's like a faux suede. And we have some silky, this is definitely lining. We have some more white. Most of this other stuff, we got more white. Wow, lots and lots of stuff. Here's this green. Put that with the green. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to separate it out to like things that I think will run, like black, stuff like that. That will be in one pile to wash. And then the other I'm going to all put together. And I'm just going to put it in the washing machine, throw it in the dryer. whenever you sew, before you start a project, before you cut it out, you always need to wash your fabric. And it's not just to clean it, it's to pre-shrink it, because you don't want to make something and then the first time you wash it, it shrinks and it doesn't fit you anymore. That would be really discouraging, wouldn't it, Willow?
Yeah.
I would be very frustrated. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do. Let me know which was your favorite, and I'll tell you which I think. I don't know, a lot of these were my favorite, but I think these are a fun favorite here, all these little Halloween things. In fact, I will probably do something with them because, you know, right now we are into October. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.